In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize gallery arrows in Squarespace. If you're working with an image gallery and want cleaner navigation, this quick walkthrough will help you control how the arrows look and simplify what visitors see. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your site and you have a page with a gallery section visible in the editor. You'll be making adjustments directly in the page preview so you can see the results right away. Start by opening the gallery settings. Hover your mouse over the gallery section until the controls appear. Then click on Edit Section. This opens the panel where Squarespace groups the design and layout options for this particular section. It's the central place to control how the gallery behaves and how its navigation elements appear. Next, move to the navigation controls for the gallery by clicking on arrows. This area is dedicated to the left and right controls that let people move through your images. As you click into arrows, keep an eye on your live preview. Squarespace updates instantly, so it's easy to understand what each setting changes. Arrows are important for accessibility and ease of use, since they give visitors a clear way to move forward and backward through your images without guessing what to click. Now, switch to the dot navigation by clicking on bullets. These are the small dots that usually sit under a slideshow to indicate how many slides there are and which one is active. They can be helpful for orientation, but in some designs, they can feel redundant, especially when arrows are already visible. Opening the bullets area lets you adjust how those dots behave so your gallery feels cohesive. To streamline your design and avoid competing controls, click on Hidden. This hides the bullet dots from the gallery, leaving the arrows as your primary method of navigation. It's a simple change that often makes a big difference, creating a more minimal, focused look. If you're designing for a clean editorial style or you want to reduce distractions around your imagery, hiding bullets is a great move. As you work, preview your page at different widths to see how the arrows feel on mobile and tablet sizes. Make sure the arrows remain easy to see against your background, and consider image composition so the arrows don't visually clash with key content in the photos. When you're satisfied with the look, you're all set. Your gallery now uses clear, streamlined navigation with arrows as the star.